Hi, this is Dustin with TechMD. Today we're going to be repairing a Nokia Lumia 1520. I repaired a few of these, but I haven't made any videos yet, so I figured I'd show you guys how to do the repair. So first things first is we're going to have to turn that off. And there's 3 buttons here. Looks like his frame is all damaged up. No, that's our replacement part. Adjusting the camera here a little bit while it's turning off. So just going to start going around the sides here, separating the side from the actual glass. There's 2 layers, so first plastic layer and then the second layer. You're just separating it between the glass and, or the plastic layer and the other plastic layer. I already turned it back on, so I'll have to turn it back off here in a second. Oh, I totally forgot about the SIM cards. Don't forget that, guys. Looks like we need a T5 or 6. So we're going to try T6 first. If I can find one. Let's see if it's T5. Oh, it's T5. Just taking out the screws one by one. I think I forgot to turn it off. What are you looking for? A flathead, like a small one? Yeah. That would be in that thing. Just open that. Just take it over there. Jerry rig everything, so a little plastic tool works real good. Good channel too. Makes really high quality videos. Someone's chatting with me here on live chat. 1 second. Okay, so my VoIP call interrupted my recording here, so oops. So I just twisted this up. I missed that one on the recording. Press this up. Okay, so now that we got all that up, let's move this piece off. Fill lettuce.
So, you know, he had some kind of an impact. It's black, so it didn't settle, which happens a lot with these. But your LCD's out. So, you say this is a 5S? Yeah. So OEM parts.
We're out of white.
You're out of white. The problem here is that you're only paying $10 more, and this has a 90-day warranty,
Okay.
and this has a life.
Now we got the motherboard out.
And what that warranty covers, does it cover the cracked glass?
We're gonna have to remove this.
It does cover.
And we're gonna remove this.
Just goes out. So
We're gonna transfer it over to the new one.
back like that because they're Chinese electronics and do that. The Apple's just a better way to go for 10.
Can I have my iSesame tool?
So, you put my face on it today, and it'll be
Thank you.
under 5 plus tax. And then when we get the white ones in, bring it back and we'll switch it out.
And so, like, if anything, because I know we went for that
Actually,
one time.
I don't think that your screen's broken. I think that your tempered glass is the only thing that's broken.
Well, when we put the new one on, the
Oh,
screen was
there was a crack underneath,
Yeah.
because there's bubbles underneath the new one.
So
So I thought that's what it was, but it's not. It's the screen.
it's just slowly gotten
ETA?
LCD's out, not glass.
Yes, thank you. ETA?
Oh, we can do it in about 45 minutes to an hour.
Okay. Okay, let me get some info from you.
So no one told me what they tripped out, and they messed up a whole lot of stuff on the inside, so I'm not going back there. So if anything is messed up inside, you'll.
Yeah, we have a lifetime warranty. And this guy's not some kid that is working in a kiosk. He's been doing it for 13 years.
I know, I'm like, well, and if Apple is referring to you, or AT&T, then, okay.
We have 44 agent stores that refer to us. Of course, only about 15 really refer to us. 44 say they're going to.
Got it.
Okay. And what is your name?
Monica? Yes.
So you might want to put this on the hot plate and warm it up, so that way you can get the battery pulled out. Just at 100 degrees Celsius on the front side. Be enough.
These are used products that you.
No, those are products that we, everybody's studying and looking.
Oh,
They just, he's got all kinds of weird stuff that he's hauling around with.
got it.
This has been repaired before.
Can we reach you at?
558-517.
Okay, it looks like I actually found a glass, and I want to try to repair just the glass because I've got some time on this here. So I put it on the hot plate, and it's nice and hot now. So we're going to go ahead and take out the LCD here carefully. Try to do this without damaging up the frame. Okay, now we're under it here. Just get under that backlight.
Yes, it is. Other than like the two iPhones or no?
So now we're just removing the screen out here. It's all glued in pretty well. I love the plastic frames that these guys use. It's all falling apart. Especially this part right here. Just trying to fix it. Hopefully we can reuse it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the hot plate here. So yes, this will be a little bit slightly crooked, but that's all we got for now. Okay, and we are going to put my little sheet over there. Put this carefully on there. You want to watch? We'll put this separate. It's an iPhone 5. Check the housing. Okay, so we're going to make sure it's nice and snug on there. We'll wait about 1 minute for it to warm up. Maybe 2 if we need to. We're going to do glass only separation, so we need to get in between all these cables down below. The one thing I did forget to do is put my tape on here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this and put my Gorilla tape on. It's just generic black tape. Get me scissors real quick. You can help me out. This will be helpful for you to help. I almost forgot to do my own procedure myself. Yes?
ETA?
2 hours.
You heard that.
You have to have it perfectly even. You cannot overlap it, or the air will not suck it down. Okay, and then right here, along the sides.
These?
Along the sides. There we go. Yep, that's good enough. Alright, let's do the top actually.
I need to buy non-sticky scissors.
Yeah, that would be nice, huh?
Fix has it.
Really? I'll have to take a look at that.
It came with the
What
toolkit.
What kind is it?
It's just smaller one, but it's non-stick, so it helps. Easy to use.
Wow. Yeah, I'll have to hunt that down. Hot. Okay, so now that we got our Gorilla tape on there, take our little bling nick string here. That's our tool. And we're going to start separating. I always recommend going like this and getting all the way to the edge and then coming down across. And if you don't have an edge up here or down there, switch it around to make it work for you. Actually, I'd rather work from the bottom to the top. So I'm just going to switch this around here. Hard to explain. Still want to cut into the polarizer. So when this is hot, really, really hot to touch, then the glue's already warmed up enough. Okay, so keep your string really straight and flat, and then we're going to push down against the glass. So I don't have very good suction here because it is shifting. You can't touch that or it'll be too hot. Longer strokes will make it wiggle less. So I just cut the digitizer. So that means this is not separable without buying one with a digitizer. Oh, look, I got under the wrong one. Let me see the Phillips. Where's the Phillips? I think he was using it last. Go get it from the Phillips, the big Phillips. I'm just twisting it off and putting a new string on. Always take the string in your hand, the short end, and weave it around, not the end that's on the actual roll, because you'll create twist in there and that's not good. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so it looks like even not sure if we're cutting into the digitizer or what here. Okay, so let's see. There's the digitizer, and it looks like it's broken. What? About 2 hours. And then here's the glass only. So, if that digitizer was actually broken, this would have been pointless. Which I think it was, because as you can see, it's broken here. So, I would try to find a Nokia glass with the digitizer attached. The reason why you want to do that is that way we can glue them together. So, too bad I don't have another one. If I had another one, we could do this. Okay, yeah, I have no clue where my other one went to. Okay, so unfortunately, that did not work out the way we'd like to. So now we have to use the new one, of course. I'm going to try to find one with a glass and digitizer, but I don't think it's available. If I do, I will edit the video and put it in later. Okay, so now we got our new assembly. We're going to have to transfer everything over from the old one, which is right here. Gotta move this piece over. know if that's adhesive or what here.
So that won't unlock. That's about LCD, isn't it?
Uh-huh. Yep. And his home button is going to be rotating too. See how it's off kiltered?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so when we replace it, the adhesive is bad on it. So he can replace his home button for $10, or he can leave it rotating.
Okay.
Okay, where does the speaker go to? Oh, there we go. So it's the top. This is one of these phones that you just gotta take your time.
So all we have is OEM parts right now. The difference between OEM and aftermarket is $20, and the difference in warranty is 30 days worth of supply. So we'll give you that part. 5C glass and LCD is 105 plus tax.
Let's get a couple of these screws in here. That way we can hold down the unit. Alright, let's get the cables in.
Have his batteries, sir?
Up here. How's it working? You haven't tested it yet?
I'm gonna test it right now. So
Okay.
see, battery is good.
Yeah, the same battery. Haha, I got you on the video.
You did me?
Yep.
Nice.
You're gonna be able to hear yourself when you watch the video.
Nice. I like that. I hope I'll be able to make videos one day.
I'm sure you will. I plan on getting all my locations on video.
Yeah?
Even if it's just greetings from wherever.
Right.
Just gotta tuck that cable underneath there. That's one thing I had to learn last time I was in this. The cable is a pain in the rear, especially this one.
at 5C.
2 hours.
Okay, that'll work. And we're open till tonight too, so till 8. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Thank you. Good night. You too. See ya. Stack it up.
Glad I had your help today. You know that?
What?
I'm glad I have your help today.
Well, I'm happy to help. I'm glad you're making me help.
What's that?
I'm glad you're having me to help me.
I'm glad I'm making you talk on the video.
That sounds so funny.
He is going to be my new Salt Lake location downtown. He is at my store now learning how to do repairs and glass separation, and he's going to join the TechMD name, and on our website he gets all the training for free, gets all the knowledge for free, and we take 5% and we help him out. He gets to be part of the TechMD name and create his own thing. So I hope he is very successful. I definitely believe he has a lot of drive. I've tested him a few times trying to make him want to give up, but he doesn't want to give up. Huh.
That was really mean. I felt that I was drinking that night a lot.
You're drinking?
I was so depressed. I was like, what did I get myself into?
Yeah, well, I get depressed from time to time.
I wasn't drinking, but I was pretty discouraged. But it's fine. And this guy is awesome. He helps me a lot.
Huh.
Dustin Knight. He's the king of this thing. And then Jerry Rig. They're both the kings.
Jerry Rig, everything. Yeah, he's legit.
He is legit.
I cannot put this stupid screw on. Save my life. Or this plate, not screw. Okay. Why do you not want to go in? I think it just goes in just to hold down the cables. I'm a pain in the rear. Oh yeah. Oh, it's always a pain.
I don't know why. How do you do that? Do you just kind of tip on the top?
Yeah, it's Legos.
It's Lego.
Just
Lego set.
Just remember, Lego. Inward clip is right there. I think this has to be bent a little bit. I think it's bent up too much. There we go. That was the issue. And that's it. There we go. So this thing wasn't bent correctly. Okay, now for the big data piece. That's interesting. Oh, I see. Let's make sure our connections are sitting right. Not falling off. Anyways, if you guys want to start your own business or learn how a good business operates, you can always fly down here, stay down here, and learn away. I don't care. I'd be glad to teach you for free. Don't have to go to some school.
It costs you $1,500.
Yep. All I ask you to do is join the TechMD name afterwards. If it's not for you, don't worry about it. Certainly don't want to waste a whole bunch of time training you. So make sure you know that it's not for you right away. Yeah, he spent $1,500 on training. Was it a waste of time and money?
It was good information. A lot of informations.
Aren't you learning all that information here?
On hand-on-hand experience, I didn't get enough for how much I paid.
So you haven't determined if it's a waste of money yet or not?
Maybe it could be me too. I feel like it depends on the person too. Some people have previous experience, knowledge for about phones at least, generally.
Yeah.
But I didn't have zero knowledge or experience. So everything was so new to me, very complicated, not easy to understand. Especially if English is your second language, you're not a native speaker.
Looks like we are all good. Everything is working. Well guys, thanks for watching my video. More to come in the future. This was the Nokia 1520. Thanks.